Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will create a YouTube logo something like this. Every material was available in the link given in the description, so you can download those material from the description. Downloaded zip file is password protected and password is divided into 3 parts which will be visible on video in 3 parts, so please carefully watch the video to get password. So, without any delay, let's get into video. This logo is created in Pixel Lab, which is free on Play Store or App Store. First you have to open Pixel Lab application in your mobile. Click on text box and write first to later of your channel name is uppercase. Click on upper right 3 dots and select image size and YouTube banner size so we get enough space to edit our logo. Now go to font option to select target font given in the file package. After selecting font, click on color option and select first letter of text and color black. Now increase spacing between 2 letters according to your choice. Not duplicate it and place both the text together and crop its letters in both text box. No, move your letter according to your preference. I also reverse my last letter to look attractive. You can also do it if you want. Now click on the layer icon and select both layer and merge them. Click on plus icon and create shape and fill it with black color and place behind white text of your logo. After resize shape, click on the layer icon and select both layer and merge it. After merging both layers, click on erase color option and turn it on. After turning it on, you will see that the white color has been removed from your logo and it gets some transparent effect. Now again click on plus icon and create a circle shape of black color and resize according to your choice. And again, take another rectangular shape of white color shown in video. And place it on the center of the circle and adjust according to you. Now click on the layer icon and select the both shapes circle and rectangle and merge. After merging it, place it in the center of your frame. Now click on the erase color and turn it on. You will see that white color is now gone and its look transparent. Now place your logo between the shape you erase. Now create another shape of triangle and place it in the upper part of your shape. Now create another shape of triangle in black color and place it between center of the triangle shown in the video. Click on the plus icon and click on text button and type your channel full name. Select the text box and go to style button and make it bold and set it in center. Now again draw a circle and make it opacity 0 and stroke as your logo type and place it in the center, then cover the whole shape like a ring. Now click on the layer icon and merge all the layers together. After marking the layer, click on the erase color button and turn it on and increase tolerance to make it sharp. Now create a small black shape and place it behind the logo and merge so it become an image. After that, click on the logo and select texture option from the menu and go to the material file which you will get from the link and click on the silver texture. After giving texture, you can select shadow option and wear with options according to your choice, or you can follow the steps given in the video. This will create a 3D look on logo. After doing shadow work, click on the upper right corner 3 dot and select export image and go to the material file which you will get from the link and select the background picture. After selecting background picture, go to the upper right corner 3 dot and select image size and convert it to profile picture. After doing it, your logo is ready for export. After size, click on the shape button look like floppy disk and click on save image. After clicking on save image to image, type to PNG and export ultra format for better resolution. Hope you will like the video and share with other, and please comment down if you have some confusion or any suggestion.